Yo, what's up guys? My name's Donnie SK87. So this is the first vlog that I will, make because, yeah, this is great. So yeah, let me show you my fans. I can't really explain it, but this is, this is what we do. So nag-swimming na ako. It's my second time, pero ang dami ng tao. Holy shit, man. I can't believe that. I'm so speechless. And this is the greatest thing that ever come out. Like someone gave me, or someone told me that I should be. Yeah, we're here in the, I don't know what called, but I'll ask someone what this resort called. Yeah, swimming na sila. I'm jealous, man. What the fuck? Let's go. Yeah, makikilala nyo na itong mga taong to. And ayan o, look at this guys. Guys, 6 feet yan. Hindi yan maaabot na mukha mo or yung ilong mo. I almost fucking died in that fucking pool, man. Yeah, ito, hot tub to is a jacuzzi.
Ang damig!
Yes. Yes, man. Di ko to pinagyayabang, but, this is for a content, man. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Yeah. Ay, putang ina nito ah. Ang agis kayo bola pag ito na bitawan ko. So guys, let me show you the room. Ito. So yeah, this is the bathroom. It's just closer in the pool, pero let me show you something, guys. This is where we we have a meeting and shit. So yeah. So ito, madilim kasi dito. It's because it's night time. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, sa likod may kitchen. Oh shit, ang labo ng sorry guys, nasa aircon kasi itong cellphone ko. So yeah, that's the kitchen. You can't really see anything, but you can see a shape like a tree, which is a tree. And there's a school right there. Pero madilim sa taas. I don't know why, pero yeah, yan lang. But yeah, madulas dito, which is I'll probably show you something really. So guys, ito. Oh shit, may tao guys. Tao. I shouldn't be too noisy, but it's my first vlog, guys. Yeah, let's go down. Oh my god. Yung rush red ko na sa banyo. I can't get it because, oh my god, I don't know what time it is, but shit. Paano ba to? I guess I'm gonna wait. Sorry kung mahina yung sinasabi ko, pero I'm being quiet right now because magagalit yung tao dito. So yeah. So let's go down and let's look. So yeah, this is the view up here, and wala tong, because in every resort or resort nga may mga pool, may like for example like a motel na this is the place, and I'm wearing a Crocs. Yeah guys, I'm skinny as fuck because like my parents always told me that I have a worm or something. But guys, we have madilim dito. We have to not really focus on studying, but we must. Shit. My heart is beating right now, and I can't really say anything because I'm speechless. How could I say something? What should I do? They're having they're having fun down there in the jacuzzi without me because malak yung CR doon and shit. So recording Guys, I'm gonna let you guys introduce you some friends, okay? Go down. This might be slippery. Yeah, should be careful kasi putang ina, madulas dito. Umulan lang kasi kanina. Um, yeah, ow. Okay. Okay. Holy shit. Kasi I have a fear of na matatapa ako sa hagdan ng shit kasi madulas. Yeah, that's what we do. We have a meeting here. There's a mirror. Ang galing yan guys para siyang sa ano yung FBI shit. So yeah. Ay, tangina niya, di niyo ako sinasama.
Ay, nag-check na siya! Kasi...
Ba't ba tangina, tignan niyo naman yung sinusuot ko.
Okay lang yan.
May tao kasi sa banyo eh.
Yo!
Gara nyo, I'm jealous guys. Naiingit ako. Naiingit ako guys.
Ano, kanina yung natin.
So punta tayo dito. Wait lang, may flashlight ako eh. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung nandito. We have a playground for kids. Yan. So bata lang dito, di mga teenagers kasi di sila kasya dyan. So, ang baba ng slide. So, you can see my feet. Shit. So ito, mga tables for mga inuman and shit. Like look at the paintings. And yan, meron pang isa dito. Ewan ko sino naglagay dito ng galon pero wala na, fuck up. At yeah. There's a fucking I don't know what it's called pero putang ina. Yeah, yeah. So yan, mga part ng car. Well, I will show you the name of it kasi di ko na maalam. So yeah, oh shit. Yeah, that's the name of the private resort and events place. Yeah, that's my cousin, you know. Yeah, it's my cousin. It's cute. Sometimes I gotta look at that guys. So let me tell you something more important about life. So guys, nasamahan nyo ako. I'm gonna change into my rash guard para mag-swim doon. You know, I'm gonna join them. I actually got it, you know. Inas ko lang yung nasa banyo para kunin yung rash guard ko. Yeah. Oh shit, man. I'm gonna transition this in 3, 2, 1. So guys, it's now up. See? Full rash guard. We're going to swim, pero I'm not gonna record everything because this is not waterproof, guys. This is not waterproof. Okay? Okay, look at me. This is not waterproof foam. This is just a random gate, so yeah, I'm gonna swim in about 30 or 1 minute or 2 minutes for tapos naman na mga gamit. Pero not this one, but my clothes. I'm not gonna show you my clothes. I don't wanna show so stuff. So yeah. I'll transition to the morning. So bye. About what I said on sa video na yon, yung sa video ko nung last Friday, actually di natuloy yung na-record ko yung morning. The reason for that kasi nalobot yung phone ko, tang inas. Pagising ko 1% na lang phone ko. Holy shit, I forgot about charging this phone. But all in all, that's the best day. I mean, the best thing that happens. Ayan, inaya ako ng mga closest friends ko na, you know, pero nakatatlong kap ako. Nira round 2 ako. Gusto nila akong lasingin, what the fuck, man. Gusto nila akong lasingin talaga. Pero it's fun. You know, minsan lang sumaya yung tao. You know, some people call me weird, mysterious kasi nonchalant ako eh. You know, that's what my classmate thinks about me. Pero the more na nakakasama ko sa usapan or sa mga kwentuhan ng mga ganun or about talking about your course, future and stuff, or kung anong course na kukunin mo or something, masaya talagang ikwento yung mga importanteng bagay kasi wala. Boring kasi dito sa bahay and yeah, minsan lang ako lumalabas. Pero at dahil di ako lumalabas ng bahay, syempre, nagre-record din ako ng nilalaro ko. At isa pa doon, naglalaro ako ng horror games. Ewan ko kung bakit. Guys takot ako sa horror pero pinipilit ko sarili ko eh. Yung utak ko yung nagsasabi sa akin na takot ka, like kukunin ka or papatayin ka or something like that. Tas every time I sleep, turn off the lights. Grabe talaga. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Kahit onti lang views ko. You know, give this video like 15 likes. Yeah, 15 likes is good enough. Pag naging 150 tong likes na to, grabe talaga. Thank you so much kasi maybe next time gagawa rin ako ng video about my life. You know, maybe in the future gagawa rin ako ng podcast, something like that with a special friend kasi may kaibigan ako isa, content creator. Naging content creator siya. And he has 47 subscribers and I have 42 subscribers. Grabe talaga. Ako yung mas naunang gumawa ng content ko eh. Ako yung gumawa ng unang channel na to eh. And siya yung pangalawa. Holy shit, 47 subscribers. Mas siya pa yung nauna. Magaling talaga siya. Naglalaro siya ng ML, mga kahit anong game, Specimen Zero, mga ganyan, yung The Eyes, mga kung ano-ano pa, vlog, ganun, ghosts, mga Minecraft, Phasmophobia, mga ganun. Yeah. Masaya rin mag-upload ng mga nilalaro mo. Especially na wala kang emotions na nilalabas sa tao. Pero at the same time, like wow. I'm speechless talaga. What the fuck am I saying? Yeah. Alam ko or alam nyo or di nyo alam, pero alam ko naman sarili ko kasi di nyo ako kilala. May times kasi na pag nagsasalita ako sa voice recording, like napuputol-putol yung mga sinasabi ko. Pero here's the thing. It doesn't matter if putol-putol yung words mo. Kasi the more na sinasabi mo to, mas dadagdag yung confidence mo. Kasi habang iniisip mo yun, like, putang inang cringe nito, dapat di ko na ginawa. Ginawa mo na eh. It happens. People already hear it. People already click this videos about something or someone, like, sasabihin nila, ang weird naman ito, parang ang OA, tas ang cringe pa. Well, fuck you, okay? I don't give a fuck. Kasi this is my moment. Kasi gumawa ko ng channel para sumaya ako. You know? Di lang magkaroon ng subscribers, di lang magkaroon ng views. Dahil sa akin lang to kasi gusto ko sumaya. At gusto ko rin sumaya na may kalaro akong kaibigan na naglalaro sa akin. Tigil ko muna tong pagsasalita ko. Masyado na ako nadadaldalan. And yeah, like and subscribe if you want to subscribe. Go ahead. I'm not offering you to subscribe me. I want you guys to subscribe me. So, goodbye.